Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian period, Victorian age. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. I have completed from question number 100 from question number 1 to 138. This is question number 39 पार्ट 7। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपको यदि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूज़फुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39। पोएम बाई क्यूरर वॉज रिटन बाई। Poems by Currer was written by option A George Eliot, option B Browning, option C Bronte sisters, and option D W.B. Yeats. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option C Bronte sisters. Bronte sisters. Now question number 140. Who is the narrator of Charlotte Willett? Charlotte Willett. Option A Lucy Snowe, option B Helen Graham, option C Helen Graham, option B Neely, and option D Shirley Calder. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Lucy Snowe is the correct answer. Now question number 141. What is the subtitle of Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte? What is the subtitle of Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte? Option A The Independent Woman, option B The Unfortunate, option C The Autobiography, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer, the subtitle of Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte is The Autobiography. The Autobiography is the correct answer. So option C, The Autobiography is the correct answer. Now question number 142. Charlotte Bronte fame rest on. चार्लोस ब्रॉन्टे जी का जो प्रसिद्धि है किस पर होता है? ऑप्शन ए द प्रोफेसर, ऑप्शन बी जैन एरे, ऑप्शन सी सिरले, एंड ऑप्शन डी विलेट. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? 142 का ऑप्शन बी जॉन एरे, जैन एरे इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now Jane Eyre is the correct answer. Option B. Yes. Now Jane Eyre is the correct answer. 142. Jane is the correct answer. Now question number 143. Shirley by Charlotte Bronte is a portrait of. Shirley by Charlotte Bronte is a portrait of. Question 4 options are here. Option A Anne, option B Maria, option C Elizabeth, and option D Emily. So which one is the correct answer? 143 Emily. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 144. Which of the novels by Charlotte Bronte was published posthumously? Which of the novel by Charlotte Bronte was published posthumously? Option A Jane Eyre, option B Willett, option C The Professor, and option D Shirley. So which one is the correct answer? Which of the novel by Charlotte Bronte was published posthumously? So option A Jane Eyre, option B Willett, option C The Professor. The Professor, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 145. Wuthering Heights is a novel written by. वुदरिंग हाइट जो नॉवेल है किसके द्वारा लिखा गया? ऑप्शन ए एमिली ब्रॉन्टे, ऑप्शन बी Charlotte Bronte, option C Annie Bronte, and option D George Eliot. So option A Emily Bronte is the correct answer of 145. Now question number 146. Heathcliff and Catherine Earnshaw are the characters in हीथक्लिफ एंड कैथराइन जो हैं कैथराइन अर्नशा किसमें कैरेक्टर हैं? ऑप्शन ए सन्स एंड लवर, ऑप्शन बी प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस, ऑप्शन सी बुदरिंग हाइट्स एंड ऑप्शन डी सिरले. So the correct answer of 146 is the Wuthering Heights. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 147. The biography of Charlotte Bronte was written by. The biography of Charlotte Bronte was written by. Option A Mrs. Browning, option B Mrs. Gaskell, option C Mrs. Shelley and option D Mrs. Cowley. So option B Mrs. Gaskell is the correct answer. The biography of Charlotte Bronte was written by Mrs. Gaskell. Now question number 148. Question number 148. Name the lyricist who composed. Name the lyricist who composed. Option A Charlotte Bronte, option B Ben Jonson, option C Emily Bronte and option D John Keats. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Emily Bronte is the correct answer. Now question number 149. Question number 149. Question number 149 है Emily Bronte and Anne Bronte created an imaginary world wherein one can find the setting of Anne's poems. Name that imaginary world. Emily Bronte and Anne Bronte created an imaginary world. Emily Bronte और Anne Bronte ने एक imaginary काल्पनिक संसार बनाया था wherein one can find the setting of Anne's poem. Name that imaginary world. उस imaginary world का नाम बताना है. Option A Tudor, option B Woodall, option C Sodol and option D Gondals. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option D, Gondol. Gondol is the correct answer of question number 149. Now question number 150. Who published a novel under the pseudonym Action Bell? किसने अपने जो नॉवल हैं वो एक्शन बेल के नाम से पब्लिश करवाए थे? ऑप्शन ए एमिली ब्रॉन्टे, ऑप्शन बी एनी ब्रॉन्टे, ऑप्शन सी क्लेरा रीव एंड ऑप्शन डी जॉर्ज एलियट. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, Anne Bronte. Anne Bronte is the correct answer. Now question number 151. Who wrote the novel Agnes Grey? Who wrote the novel Agnes Grey? Option A Anne Bronte, option B Charlotte Bronte, option C Emily Bronte and option D Jane Austen. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer 151 is the Anne Bronte is the correct answer. Now question number 152. Anne Bronte worked in the Robinson family at Thorpe Green Hall as a. एने ब्रॉन्टे ने वर्क किया था रॉबिन्सन फैमिली में एट थॉर्प में ग्रीन हॉल एज ए किस के रूप में? ऑप्शन ए अ टीचर, ऑप्शन बी गवर्नेंस, ऑप्शन सी कोरियोग्राफर एंड ऑप्शन डी मिस्ट्रेस. सो एंटी ब्रॉन्टे वर्कड इन द रॉबिन्सन फैमिली एट थॉर्प ग्रीन हॉल एज ए गवर्नेंस. Option B, governess is the correct answer. Now question number 153. The real name of George Eliot was. The real name of George Eliot was. Option A, Rosemary Evans. Option B, Elizabeth Evans. Option C, Marian Evans. And option D, Mary Ann Evans. So option D, Mary Ann Evans is the correct answer of 153. So dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 154. Whose first published work of fiction, Scenes of Clerical Life, was acclaimed by reviewers? Whose first published work of fiction, Scene of Clerical Life, was acclaimed by reviewers? Option A, Elizabeth Gaskell. Option B, George Meredith. Option C, George Eliot. And option D, Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. So which one is the correct answer? 154. The correct answer is option C, George Eliot. George Eliot is the correct answer. George Eliot, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 155. Question number 155. Which novel of George Eliot which novel of George Eliot is based on her story Amos Burton? Which novel of George Eliot is based on her story Amos Burton? Option A, The Spanish Gypsy. Option B, Scenes of Clerical Life. Option C, Felix Holt. And option D, Middlemarch. So the correct answer is option B. Option B, Scenes of Clerical Life is the correct answer of 155. Now question number 156. Queen Elizabeth was so pleased to read a novel by Mary Ann Evans that she commissioned two paintings of scenes from it. Name that novel. अगेन क्वीन एलिजाबेथ वाज सो प्लीज टू रीड ए नॉवेल. कौन सा नॉवेल पढ़ करके एलिजाबेथ क्वीन जो थी बहुत ही खुश हुई थी? तो 4 ऑप्शन एडम बेडे. ऑप्शन बी सिलास मार्नर. ऑप्शन सी रोमोला. एंड ऑप्शन डी फेलिक्स होल्ट. सो ऑप्शन ए एडम बेडे इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 157. One of the most famous novel of George Eliot, written in 1860 established her reputation as an excellent novelist of her time. One of the most famous novel of George Eliot का एक बहुत ही famous novel written in 1860 जो 1860 में established है, 1860 में आया था, उसने इनकी रेपुटेशन, इनकी प्रतिष्ठा को एस्टेब्लिश किया था एज एन एक्सीलेंट नॉवलिस्ट के रूप में. कौन सा नावल था? ऑप्शन ए फेलिक्स होल्ट. ऑप्शन बी मिडिल मार्च. ऑप्शन सी डैनियल डेरोडोना. एंड ऑप्शन डी द मिल ऑन द फ्लोस. The Mill on the Floss. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option D, The Mill on the Floss. The option D, The Mill on the Floss is the correct answer of 157. Now question number 158. In which of George Eliot's novel does Maggie's Tulliver? In which of the George Eliot's novels does Maggie Tulliver appear as the central woman character? First option Silas Marner. Option B The Mill on the Floss. Option C Romola. And option D Middlemarch. So which one is the correct answer? Option B The Mill on the Floss is the correct answer. Now question number 159. Now question number 159. Yes, the question is Middlemarch published in 1871-72, which is very closely related to the determining spirit of the age is set in the years. Middlemarch जो कि published हुआ था 1872 में, which is very closely related to determining the spirit the age is set in the year. किस एज में, किस ईयर में ये हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए 1829 to 32, ऑप्शन बी 1839 to 42, ऑप्शन सी 1849 to 52 and ऑप्शन डी 1859 to 62. So the correct answer of this question is option A 1829 to 32. Now question number 160. Which novel of George Eliot according to Long reaches a climax of her literary power? Option A Adam Bede, option B Romola, option C Silas Marner and option D The Mill on the Floss. The Mill on the Floss. So option C Silas Marner is the correct answer. Now question number 161. Which novel of George Eliot is based on Italian life in the 15th century? कौन सा जो नॉवल है वो इटालियन लाइफ को बताता है 15th सेंचुरी में? ऑप्शन ए डैनियल डेरोडोना, ऑप्शन बी मिडिल मार्च, ऑप्शन सी रोमोला, ऑप्शन डी फेलिक्स होल्ट. सो ऑप्शन सी रोमोला इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन सी रोमोला इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ question number 162. With whom does Dorothy marry in the end in Middlemarch? Middlemarch में with whom does Dorothy marry in the end? with whom does किसके साथ डोरोथी जो है वो शादी करती हैं in the end in the Middlemarch? ऑप्शन ए बॉल स्ट्रोड, ऑप्शन बी च्यूथम, ऑप्शन सी फ्रेड, ऑप्शन डी कैसनबोन. So which one is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. च्यूथम is the correct answer. Now question number 163. Question number 100. The Spanish Gypsy by George Eliot is A. The Spanish Gypsy by George Eliot is A. Option A dramatic poem, option B poetic play, option C romantic novel and option D satirical essay. So which one is the correct answer? The Spanish Gypsy is a dramatic poem. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 164. The impression of Theophrastus such by George Eliot is a collection of option A sonnet, option B lyrics, option C short stories and option D essays. So option D essays is the correct answer. The impressions of Theophrastus such by George Eliot is a collection of essays. Now question number 165. Dear friends, this is the second last question of this video. तो इस प्रकार का यदि आपको ये क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे हों तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 165. It is George Eliot's most cosmopolitan novel dealing with the contrast between the sensibilities of a pampered and limited English aristocracy and those of despised but intense Jewish outsiders. Which novel is being referred to here? यहाँ पे किस नॉवल की बात चल रही है जिसमें कि बताया गया इट इज जॉर्ज एलियट्स मोस्ट कॉस्मोपॉलिटन नॉवल डीलिंग विथ कंट्रास्ट बिटवीन द सेंसिबिलिटीज ऑफ ए पैम्पर्ड एंड लिमिटेड इंग्लिश. So these four options are here. Option A the Spanish Gypsy, option B Daniel Deronda, option C Romola and option D Felix Holt the Radical. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is Daniel Deronda, यानी कि option B is the correct answer, Daniel Deronda. And this is the last question. जॉर्ज इलियट wrote under the pseudonym of a man. Who was that man? जॉर्ज इलियट ने जो है किसी के नाम से लिखा था, किसी व्यक्ति के नाम से लिखा था. Who was that man? कौन था? ऑप्शन ए G.H. लेविस, ऑप्शन बी जॉन ब्लेक, ऑप्शन सी W. एलन, ऑप्शन डी K.G. किंग. सो ऑप्शन ए G.H. लेविस. G.H. लेविस is the correct answer. So thank you for watching this video, dear friends.